Desty stays at home. I'm feeling sad today because I want to see my friends, but I have to stay at home. How do you feel today? It's a bit strange because I don't do things at the same time every day like I did when I was in school. What is one thing you like to do every day? I know it is important that I stay at home because there is a virus that can make some people very sick, and staying at home helps to keep everyone safer. Who are the important people in your life? Sometimes I feel excited at home because I do fun activities. I also feel excited thinking about all the fun things I will do when this virus goes away. What do you feel excited about? Other days I feel frustrated because I can't do what I want to do, like play games with my friends. What do you feel frustrated about? When I feel sad or angry, I talk to someone special and we think of things that I can do to help me feel better. Who do you like to talk to when you feel angry, sad, or frustrated? I often choose from one of my superpowers to help me feel better. What superpower helps you feel better? I know there can be some tough days, but I feel really proud of how I can work through my feelings by talking to someone special in my life and doing some of the things that help me feel better. What do you feel proud of? I feel hopeful that this virus will go away soon and, well, what do you feel hopeful for? I am sending all my love to everyone I know until I see them and you again. How can you send love to people in your life? With love from Desty Island.